Namaste. Here in Anandkunj, I have with me Mrs. Radhika Reddy. She is from Hyderabad. She is by profession. She works in information technology, like IT professional. She is, and she came to Anandkunj before 10 days. Now this is the 10th day today. So first thing I would like to know about you. How do you came to know about this therapy and all, and how you came to Anandkunj?
So, hello everyone.
Yeah.
I'm Radhika, like I'm from Hyderabad, as I mentioned. So, this is my 10th day. So, mainly I came here for obesity, and my mother has referred me, for this.
Okay. Okay.
When she had come here for her treatment for diabetes, now
Mhm.
she's not having diabetes at all.
Okay.
So, she has referred me,
Okay.
to come down
Okay.
here and to lose some weights
Yeah.
and to detox my body.
Yes.
So,
Yes. So how many days of fasting you did in?
so I did 9 days of fasting. This is my
Okay.
10th day. Yeah.
So how do you feel that in your life, have you ever stayed like this?
No, I have never ever done fasting even for a single day.
Yeah.
Initially it was for 8 days, then
Yeah.
I only asked, sir, can I continue for one more day? I
Yeah.
was so much enthusiastic to see the results, like how
Okay.
it will work.
Okay.
And my body was eventually supporting me, so I thought let's continue.
Okay. So you did 9 days of fasting.
Right.
So how it was? How was the process? How was the journey?
So initially, I was doubtful, whether I'll be able to do 8 days fasting or no, because I've never done it before. But when I started, the energy level here, like everyone is doing, even the senior people, senior citizens, even they are doing with so much energy. I was like, when I should do that. It will happen just with the flow, the energy is such that you will just tend to follow it. That's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So how many kilos you lost?
In 9 days, I lost 6 kgs.
Yeah.
Yeah, to be frank, if I was at home, I tried so many remedies, so many techniques and everything. I was not able to lose even 1 kg in 1 month also. So
Okay.
6 kgs is like too much for me. So it's an
Yes.
achievement for me.
Yes.
Only in 9 days that too. So
Yes. So how is the energy level now?
yeah, it's very high. I'm not at all feeling that I've fasted. Yeah, so
Okay.
it's really high. Yeah.
That means you have rebooted your system.
Yeah,
You
completely.
feel.
So the main purpose of coming here was to reboot, reprogram entire, not only body but
Yes.
entire mind
Yes.
and soul also, which has happened here.
Yes.
So I'm really very happy.
Yes. In these 10 days, you must have seen other patients also
Right.
in Anandkunj and their progress. And
Right.
yeah,
Yeah.
how do you feel? What do you feel about Shivambu therapy?
Yeah, initially there will be hesitation. I have seen, with all the patients, but after first day, second day, when you see everyone is taking that, so automatically even you will start taking, because there are lectures in the evening, where even Sarang sir will emphasize more on the benefits of urine therapy.
Yeah.
and everything. So
Yeah.
eventually even you will start taking that. So
Yeah.
I've seen so many patients getting recovered. Even cancer patients were here when I visited. So I was really surprised, how can this happen? And so many miracles happened. I have seen that. So
Yes. What I've seen is many IT professionals, they have a very good career. They have so much of money coming into their life. Uh, their lifestyle is so fast. So for them, do you feel this particular 10 days, 5 days treatment program would be very beneficial?
yeah, definitely, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we IT guys, what we have, very sedentary lifestyle we have.
Yeah.
We hardly
Yeah.
take out time for physical,
Yes.
movement,
Yeah.
basically exercise and all.
Yes.
Very unhealthy lifestyle, to be frank. We don't
Yes.
get time at all. Or maybe you
Yes.
can say in other words, we don't take out time for ourselves. That's
Yes.
the right,
Yes.
phrase.
Yes.
But I would really suggest my IT friends, you should come here as early as possible, because we have this mindset, we should visit all this naturopathy, spiritual at the age of 50, 60.
Yes.
That's the wrong approach actually.
Yes.
We should come here as early, because we should not visit at that time with some diseases.
Yes.
Just come before only to reprogram yourself, to detox your mind, body, and soul. I would
Yes.
say.
So physically you detoxed, mentally, spiritually, how much level you attained in these 10 days? What do you feel?
Right. So, yeah, physical detox that is done, and
Yeah.
at mind and soul level, in spiritual level also. Nitin sir and Sarang sir both used to take the lectures. We used to have the sessions satsang in the evening, wherein you used to enlighten us with the different aspects of mind and soul, how we should control our thoughts, or how positive we should be in the life.
Yeah.
And spiritual enlightenment, or the that is the ultimate purpose of our life.
Yeah.
So we should aim for that.
Yes.
Once we we start with body, then mind, then spiritual
Yes.
goal is like ultimate goal, I
Yes,
can say.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
that clarity I got in this 10 days.
Yes.
Yeah.
So lastly, what message, crystal clear message you will give to viewers?
Yeah, definitely. Everybody should come here
Yeah.
as early as possible. I could say not only
Yeah.
at your,
Yeah.
50s, 60s,
Yeah.
as early as possible
Yes.
to detox yourself completely.
Yeah.
I know, so that at that age you can just come to, reprogram or enjoy the nature here. The nature itself is so beautiful.
Yeah.
You feel so peaceful here.
Yes.
I have really enjoyed.
Enjoyed.
It was like,
Very
I think I saw one last statement I would say, like, this is the best decision I've taken in
Yeah.
2022.
Very
I
good.
will not regret now, like, I have just wasted this year also, I've not done anything.
Yes.
This is an achievement for me and the best
Very,
self-investment,
very
I
good,
would say.
very good.
Yeah.
So lastly, I'll all the best for you
Thank
for
you so
future
much, sir.
all endeavors,
Yeah.
healthy and happy life.
Sure, thank you so much. And thank you so much,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
always motivating me, to be on track. I used to lose like
Yes.
little bit,
Yes.
when I never used to feel this little bit,
Yeah,
weight or something.
yeah,
I used
yes.
to always motivate me, so that
Yeah.
has really helped me a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.